Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So today we are back with the Big Four job alert from Big Four consulting firm, which is from KPMG India, and they are hiring for the analyst position, risk management. So if you are looking to start or grow your career into the risk and analytics, then this one is for you. Because the KPMG India is a global professional service firm with offices around major cities in India, and they are currently hiring for the role of analyst into risk management. So the job location is going to be the Gurugram, Haryana, India, and company, as I already mentioned, is one of the big four KPMG, and the job role is of an analyst into risk management. So in this role, you'll be basically working on the risk assessment, compliance, and advisory projects while supporting clients with the data-driven analytical insights. You'll also collaborate with the internal teams and help organization manage operational, financial, and regulatory risks. The eligibility criteria for this role is going to be something like bachelor degree, and you should have the skills into or a background into this particular field. Even if you don't have this the background, if you are a fresher with eagerness to learn and the necessary skill sets, then you are good to go. And KPMG follows on equal opportunity, hiring policy, and values diversity. So specific qualification details are mentioned, as I will be discussing later on in this video. And yes, that's it for this opportunity. Now let's understand a little bit about the key responsibilities. So as analyst and advisory, you will be basically the working on the risk assessment, analyzing the trends and the patterns of risk, and reporting your outcomes and insight to the stakeholders, and managing day-to-day activities into risk assessment and all that things. And yeah, that's it, going to be a kind of roles and responsibilities, though they haven't mentioned anything directly. But as per the role, you can just work on your skills on Python, SQL, and somewhat risk assessment tools, and along with that some reporting tools like Power BI and other stuff. And yes, that's it for this wonderful opportunities. If you want, and if you love this the job, then just go to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this job, and apply as soon as possible before the job ends. So, and also, if you like our content, just do us a favor, like this video, comment on our comment below as KPMG, so that you keep getting more and more analytics video. Just comment DA, you will be getting data analytics related jobs in the coming days very soon. And yeah, subscribe to the channel for the onwards as well, so that you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.